Now let's try to express these numbers that are in standard form and then change them to the ordinary form. Solution. For A, we have 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 6. This means we are going to have 6.02 multiplied by, now 10 raised to the power of 6 means we have 1 and then 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to write this in normal form, it means after the number 6, we are to have 6 other digits that follow. Now, to fill up that 6 digits, we already have 0 and 2, leaving us with 4 more spaces to fill, which we will fill up with zeros. So 4 zeros, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, giving us 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 6 as 6,020,000. Now, let's do the same thing for B. For question B, we have 5.025 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6. That is, we have 5.025 multiplied by, now 10 raised to the power of 6 would give us also 1 million. Now, to express this in normal form, we will then have 5 followed by 6 digits. So of that 6, we already have 3 here, which is 0, 2, 5, leaving us with 3 more spaces to fill, which we will then fill with zeros. So we have 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, giving us 5,025,000. Thank you.